Now, you might be surprised to learn that at Sushi Cars, we don't always drive JDMs. In fact, my daily driver is the BMW G20. I have been getting inundated with compliments on this car, and I figured it's about time we tell you what is the body kit to get for the G20 in 2026. So take a look at the following footage, courtesy of 285 Motorsport, and have a look for yourself as to what you think might be the best body kit out there. If you want compliments at every gas station, if you want to enjoy the feel of driving a car and looking back 7 times, this is probably the next purchase and the next mod you need for your G20.
Whoa, 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 whoa!